Pocket Phantom! Hi everyone, and welcome to my Pocket Phantom YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna open my biggest Pokemon sealed product. Super Premium Collection. From Prismatic Evolution, of course. Because, as I said in my first video this month in February, I'm gonna open only Prismatic Evolution boosters and sealed products. I'm gonna try to collect the Prismatic series, basically. Alright, so let's rip this open and let's see what's inside the box. Alright, I hope everyone is ready. Let's open this up. Let's try to open here on the side. Yep. Alright, guys, there is no turning back at this point. There is no turning back. Oh my gosh. This is my biggest opening so far. Okay. Let's take this off. Alright. And let's see how this box opens, basically. Oh, I just have to leave this. Oh my god. Amazing. Here is the promo card. So cute. Too cute. Let's take this out. Okay. I don't want to ruin anything in here. Okay, let's show this one, online players. Perfect. Okay. This is the promo card. I'm gonna seal it right away. Let's put it in a sleeve. Cool. Right? We have to protect our cards. It's very important. And we have a small display here with the card. So, right. We will be able to put this on the shelf. Why not? Let's... Perfect. Our promo card. All right, let's move forward. This is the deck box. Ah, that's very cute. This is the deck box. I think this is gonna go to my daughter as well. She loved the tin, right? In my previous video, I opened the Prismatic Evolution tin, Lithium, and ever since she has the tin, she puts her little treasures inside the tin. She loves it. This is cute as well. Here we have the playmat, and here we have the sleeves. Okay, I'm gonna keep this sealed. I don't really need them. All right. So here we have the boosters. 15 boosters. Here this. So this is 65 sleeves. If someone wants to play, it has all the Prismatic Evolution Pokemons. Eevee in the middle, of course. And here we have our playmat. I'm gonna use this from now on. Let's see. How should we open this without damaging? That's it. It's done. All right. I have to this way. They're so cute. They're all playing there. Eevee in the middle. This is the playmat. So we have the playmat. Let's recap it in the box. Right? We have the playmat. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 boosters. Then we have the sleeves for the deck. We have a furry card holder, deck holder basically. And then we have the promo card, EVEX. Alright guys, so this was the first part of the video. Stay with me. In the second part of this video, I'm gonna open all the boosters. And let's see, I hope I'm gonna find my biggest hit yet. Pocket Phantom!